Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking developer options and installing an overlay app that can draw a fixed black bar over the top. Enable developer options in Settings, then give the app display over other apps permission. Next, set a conservative mask height, about 1/8 of the screen, and center it over the dynamic island area so it visually hides the cutout. This gets you started immediately and avoids fiddling with game settings yet. Once the overlay is in place, fine-tune it. Set width to full screen and height around 12.5% so the mask exactly covers the dynamic island. Anchor the overlay to the top and, if available, disable touch pass-through so accidental taps don't reveal the area. Then launch Bgmi, enable immersive or full-screen mode inside the game or via developer options. This forces content to occupy the whole screen and prevents the system UI from shifting the mask during play. To finish, start a match and watch the top area for any flicker or resize. Make small adjustments to height by 2% increments until it stays hidden. If the overlay disappears when notifications arrive, temporarily turn off notifications or tweak the app's priority so it remains visible. If the app is blocked or misbehaves, restart the overlay, revoke and regrant display permission, or reboot the device. This single troubleshooting step fixes most conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.